I like a long hair, thick red bone. Open up a leg, that filet mignon. That, I'ma get in and on that, If she let me in, I'm on, girl. What's up, Anya Army? Welcome back to Home Base. I am back with another hair video. This wig is gorgeous. Look at the color and the curls. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and meet me in the comments to discuss how you feel about her. I named her Cinnamon. This is her still in her package. She is a TruWig Swiss lace front in the style NBS-i230. That's a mouthful. And her color code is TT735. This is what she's giving straight out the package. Very shiny, but silky, soft. She feels real good to the touch. The curls are absolutely gorgeous. And I love this color. I've actually never done orange before. So, period, stepping out the box. This is the lace. It's very white, but the part is nice and wide. The front line is pre-plucked, and it does have some baby hairs. I'm going to redo those, of course. This is the cap construction. I love the band. Yes, security. Not a lot of lace, but that's all right to be expected. And then the combs in the front and the back. This is the Krabby Patty formula right here. Everything you're going to need is in this picture except for the hair dryer. But anyways, of course, the Ebin Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray. Mwah, chef's kiss. They cracked the code on that one. The Ebin tinted lace. I love this stuff. It really it does what bleaching a human hair wig will do. The Lotta Body foaming wrap, love this stuff. It lays the edges so well, and it also gets rid of lumps and bumps. Speaking of getting rid of lumps and bumps, that's what the hot comb is also for. Edge control, even also the 24-hour edge tamer, love her. And then an edge brush. Now I'm going in with my Ebin tinted lace spray. I absolutely love this spray, y'all. It works so well. I have it in the medium color. So I am going to, make sure you have something underneath the wig and blocking it from anything else you don't want to hit. And just go in with it like spray paint, really. Look at that beautiful brown. And so this is what it looks like after the first pass, but I'm going to go back through a second pass and also go on top of the wig. And then this is what it's giving after that. Don't worry about the part. I fix it, but I just like to spray it all over, and it just helps it look more natural in my opinion. And from there, we're going to pluck that hairline. This is all the hair that I got out of the hairline. It is very important, and now she is giving as much scalp as a synthetica can give. Now I'm going in with the freaking holy grail, the Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray, putting it together with its dynamic duo counterpart, the Lotta Body wrap spray, not spray, but mousse foam, and then the hot comb. Let me tell you, triple in thread, okay, baby? So first, we are going to get into laying the edges. You're going to need to get that lace spray, pull it up a bit, and go to work. Go to work, go to work, go to work, work. Please ignore my faces. I don't know what is afflicting me in these videos, but anyways, with your with it on cool setting, go in with the blow dry. This just makes everything go so much faster. Make sure it's on cool though, so that it actually stops running. I think I just put it on hot at first. That's why, it'll just keep it liquid. Basically, it melts it, so it'll keep running if you go in with hot. So make sure your hair dryer is on cool. Now for the scary part, it's time to lay that lace, and be very careful when you do, because the way that you blow dry the lace spray is very tacky now, and basically where you set it, baby, is where it's gonna lay. So make sure you don't have any extra hairs up under there. Make sure you have it right where you want it, and then use something to press it down. I use a brush because I don't like my hands to get in it, because the oils in your hands will turn it white. Go back over it with the hair dryer, and then wrap it in a satin silk scarf. Ooh, getting ahead of myself. This is what it is giving before the silk scarf. This is literally just with it laid down from the blow drying and the pressing with the hairbrush. I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like, and then I'm going to go in and fix the baby hairs, lay it with the silk scarf, and then come back and show y'all the final look. This is the final look. She is gorgeous.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see, where did I miss?